Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to convert text to PDF in mobile. So, for this video, we will be using the Google Docs available in almost every phone. But if in your case, if you don't have Google Docs, just go to Play Store and search for Docs. You will find Google Docs app at the very beginning of your search. So after you have installed your Google Docs, open your Docs. Now what you need to do is just click on the plus icon. After that, you can start typing your text or just copy the text. Now that I have my text that I want to convert into PDF, I will use some of the features here like bold, and I will also want to highlight them with a different color like that, and that's it. Now after I'm done with the editing, I will go to the three dots in the left top corner of this screen. Now here, just click on the three dots and click on share and export. After that, click on Save As and you will see an option called PDF document. Select that and click on OK. After you have saved your text message into PDF, it will automatically open your PDF like this, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.